The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Bienville Parish, East Central Bossier Parish, Western Claiborne Parish. This includes the city of Homer. Central Webster Parish. This includes the city of Minden until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Houghton, or 9 miles east of Bossier City, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Dixie Inn, Sibley, and Dubberly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Bossier, Claiborne, and Webster.